This is not financial advice. This video is for education only. 90% of beginners lose money in the stock market because they don't know this basic rule. If you live in the USA and want to start investing, this 2-minute video could completely change the way you think. A stock is just a small piece of a company. When you buy a stock, you own a part of companies like Apple, Google, or Tesla. The price changes based on supply and demand in the market. Tip number 1, think long-term. Most of the successful investors in the USA focus on long-term investing. Short-term trading is very risky for beginners. Tip number 2, start with ETFs. ETFs like the S&P 500 or Total Market ETF are perfect for beginners. They're lower risk and provide steady growth over time. Tip number 3, use dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount every month and don't worry if the market goes up or down. If you're a beginner, comment "Start" below. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to start investing